good people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing an unboxing video of the Neewer ring light. I'm super excited because I've wanted this product for a really long time and I finally caved and bought it. So if you want to see how I set it up, what's my first impression of this product, then just stay tuned. If you are a new viewer and you want to become a part of the K-Stylers, please hit that red subscribe button down below as well as that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So the product, let me try to get the product specs off my phone really quickly. So the product that I got is the Neewer RL12 LED ring light, 14-inch outer, 12 on the center, with a light stand, soft tube, filter, carrying bag for makeup, YouTube camera / phone video shooting. So that is what I got. I got the 14-inch kit and the price, what? They're having it on sale right now. But the price that I got it for was $89.99, and right now with a deal they currently have it out for $76.49, so you get 15% off. I will link it in my description box below if you guys are looking for a ring light for your videos and you don't want to spend like over $100. I think this is like a good deal, but we're gonna see how good it actually is after I unbox it. So yes, I will leave the link in the description box below. This is the box that everything comes in. So this is how big it is. I'm about to open her up, guys. So she took about 2 days to get here, but I do have like Amazon Prime, so you know, she came pretty fast. This is the first piece. I'm assuming the stand is in this section right here. So we're gonna open her up. And I was correct. So we basically have the mounting and the stand for the light. And then if we continue to open her up, we have the adapter and basically the charger, because it is a wall plug-in type of charger. It doesn't use battery. You have to have an outlet. It comes with, okay, this is cute. It comes with a section for your phone. And it also comes with a remote, a Bluetooth remote for your iPhone or your Android to take pictures, which is pretty cool. And what else is in here? And then you have the bag. So this is the Neewer ring light bag. This is a really nice sized ring light. You can travel with this bag, and that's one of the reasons why I got it and I liked it so much, because it wasn't like super huge like the 18-inch, and you know, I film in my room, so I didn't really want anything like super huge. So we're opening her up. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, so in it, it comes with basically a guide, a picture guide of what is supposed to come with the ring light. So it's a dimmable ring light. It has a ball head, a smartphone holder, a Bluetooth receiver, power adapter, soft tube, 61-inch 155cm light stand, white and orange color filter set, and a carrying bag. So it comes with a packaging list, and then you basically get a picture of what you are supposed to get, which is a pretty good deal for the price you get it for. And you also get instructions on how to put this product up. So I'm super excited. It seems like it came with everything, because I was reading the reviews and people were like, I did not get instructions on this. I feel so dumb. How do I put it up? And they literally have this thing laid out for me. So, you know, it comes with the filter. So if you do want warm toned videography or photography, they do have the orange tone filters, and if you want more cooler, whiter tone, then you have the white ones. So along with that, inside the bag you have ta-da! You have the ring light. I'm about to set this up. The bag is super nice. It has padding on either sides as well as one in the middle, so it does, I feel like it does kind of protect your lighting equipment a little bit, so you know, this is really super cute. I'm going to look at the instructions and we're going to set this bad boy up. I do want to say right now it is currently like, it's 6:30 and I have a window to the left of me and it's currently giving me a little bit of light because there's, you know, still light outside. But I also have my 2 studio lights, which you guys know that I film with. I have one on either side of me, and I don't have the umbrellas on them right now, so I just have the studio lights out. And I did change the camera setting on my camera, so you know, right now it looks kind of like nice and cute. I will give you guys the camera details and all the stuff that I use right now, and I'll like change between the ring light. I'll show you guys the lowest versus the highest amount of light it can give, so you guys can basically see the difference. And then I will turn my lights off so you can also see that difference, and then I will show you guys night filming, how it looks at night without my studio lights, with just the ring light. And you know, I got y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything. Okay, we're going to set up this ring light. Why, oh boy, this looks complicated here. Oh my god. But I got this. So we are setting up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically put this like that so it can stand, and we can use this notch right here to tighten or loosen it. We are going to loosen these so we can extend the height. But for assembly purposes, I'm going to lower this a little. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the white soft tubes, and I'm going to put that on the ring light. So after I finish putting on the soft tubes, this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to take this section and the connector section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece right here, and I am going to attach this piece to that part right here. I am going to put the ring light onto that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this, and then we are going to tighten it on there. So we have that tightened. Since this part is kind of loose, I'm going to use this and I'm going to tighten it. That way this part stays. This piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to align this bottom section with this section right into the ring light, and we're going to tighten it. That is how it looks. It did come with a section for your phone, hold for here and for here. So I am going to just attach it. That is how the ring light currently looks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. I have attached the charger, the adapter. It's plugged in, it's ready to go. So are we ready for the moment of truth? Here we go. Oh girl, oh yes. Ooh, okay. So So this is what the ring light looks like. This is how my video look without the studio lights on either side. This is how the video looks with the orange filters on all around. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my studio lights so you can see how it affects just the ring light with the orange filter on. This is how my video looks with my 2 studio lights on the side, and then I have my ring light with the orange filter on. So this is how my video looks with the 2 studio lights on either side. This is how my video looks without my studio lights and with the low setting from the ring light. This is how my video looks with the higher setting from just the ring light. This is how my video looks with just the ring light with its highest setting. So this is the highest it can go, and this is just the ring light. I don't have my studio lights on. I don't have any other lights on except my LED blue lights right now, and then I have my window right here, but right now the sun is kind of going down, so it's not really giving me much light, but that is all the ring light. And this is basically how my video is looking right now with my 2 studio lights right there and my ring light on its brightest settings. This is how it looks with an orange and white filter mix. So I have the orange on the top and the white on the bottom. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to sum this video up if you do like it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to stay positive. Bye guys.